I'm comparing DMC thread color black. In Europe it costs about 150–180 per skein. 8 meters in the skein, looks durable and smooth. And don't braiding thread that was sold as 8 skeins per 150. It looks a little bit fluffy. Closer look at both, each have 6 strands. Checking if the thread is fraying from rubbing against the fabric. DMC didn't change, cheaper thread is losing fibers. You can see small black fibers on the fabric. Let's make few stitches and see if they look different. DMC looks smooth, cheaper thread have more volume. You can see fibers coming out of the cheaper thread. After the stitches, the difference even more visible. Making more stitches. Result is the same. Embroidery made with 150 euro thread and less than 20 euro cents thread. Link to the beginner-friendly pattern in the description. Which thread would you choose?